Today I'm going to show you how to make a Game Pass into a shop in Roblox Studio. So firstly, what you want to do is go to roblox.com, but before we get started, so creating a shop for Game Pass in Roblox involves several steps, including scripting in Roblox Studio to handle the purchasing process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to script a shop for Game Passes in your Roblox game. So firstly, one, go to the Roblox website and navigate. So what you want to do is go to roblox.com, and then after that click the create button and then after that make sure to choose your game that you're editing on. For example, I'm going to choose Badge Tutorial, like I always do every time I do Roblox Studio tutorials. And then scroll down, then and then click on Passes, and then make sure to name your pass. For example, I'm going to name my Game Pass Test, and then I'm going to create my pass. And now what I'm gonna do is set the item for sale, and the price is going to be 5 Robux right here, 5 Robux. And then after that, now what you want to do is launch Roblox Studio. And then after Roblox Studio is launched on your computer, make sure to choose the game that you're working on. And then now that my game is launched, and now we're moving to steps 2. So step 2 is set the shop GUI. So open Roblox Studio like I did and load your game, and then after that insert a ScreenGui into StarterGui service. So right here where it says StarterGui, make sure to add a ScreenGui right here. And then after that, what you want to do is add a frame to ScreenGui of your store. Make sure to add a frame of the ScreenGui to serve as your shop surface. This is the frame. This is the frame right here, and then after that, and then add text buttons or image buttons inside the frame for each Game Pass. Well, you can, and then after that, what you can do is add a text label to it, or don't add a text label. So this is the frame, and you can add text buttons or image buttons inside the frame for each Game Pass. And then after that, now scripting the Game Pass purchases. So what you want to do is add a local script inside the frame. What you want to do is add a local script inside the frame, and then here is the script. So it'll be boring if you see me scripting through the whole thing. Well, I have to. So I'm gonna do this example, and the script will be linked in the description. Local script for a Game Pass purchase button. Okay, so now what you want to do is type in local space button, space equals script dot parent. And then after that, now what you want to do is type in local Game Pass, local Game Pass ID, and then equal, and then type in equal, and then now what you want to do is copy or type your Game Pass ID. For example, this is my Game Pass ID, and then I'm going to add this, replace with your actual Game Pass ID. I'm going to, and then after that, it's button dot mouse button mouse button one click connect function. Okay, so function, make sure to add function. Well, make sure to add this, and don't add end yet. So, and then after that, what you want to do is add local player. Wait, I just need to, so next add local player equals game dot players dot local players. Wait, no, it's actually player. And then after that, add game get service and then it's marketplace service and then after that, we're going to add this prompt purchase, no, actually prompt Gamepass purchase and then after that, add player apostrophe space, don't add a apostrophe, Game Pass ID, and then after that, it's end. Wait. And then after that, add end. Okay, so now that's done. Now what we're going to do, now we're moving on to step 4. So step 4 is we're going to handle Game Pass ownership. To check if a player owns a Game Pass and give them compensating benefits, you can use script in the server script service. Here's an example. So now what you want to do is go over to the server script service and then press on this plus button and then press add the script. Right here, this is the script, and then after that, what you want to do is type this. Wait, so before we get to the scripting, make sure to name it something like handle Game Pass script, or you can just leave it just like script. Well, I'm gonna name it handle Game Pass script. And now what you want to do is type in this example. Well, you don't have to type this example script to check Game Pass ownership. Game Pass ownership. And then after that, now what we're gonna do is add local marketplace service. Marketplace service equals game get service okay, and then marketplace service and then what we're going to do is add a new and then add local players and then space equals game service. Okay, so local players equals it's get service. I'm sorry. So service okay, and then after that, players and then after that we're going to add local Game Pass ID equals your Game Pass. So now what you want to do is copy the ID of your Game Pass, copy asset ID, and then after that replace with your actual Game Pass ID. Game Pass ID. So yeah, Game Pass ID, and then after that add players dot player added connect function. So make sure to add function, and then make sure to add, and then add player, and then after that, don't add end, because we're not done yet. So, and then if marketplace service if marketplace service user owns game user owns Gamepass, and then after that, add player dot user ID, and then space Gamepass ID, and then after that script, then add don't okay. So, and now what you want to do is type in grant the player, make sure to erase end, grant the player their benefits, and then after that, and then add for example give them a special tool space item or access to a VIP area, and then after that, then end. Okay, so now we're done with that. Now here's the summary. Create your Gamepass on Roblox website, and then set up a shop GUI in Roblox Studio with buttons for each Gamepass. Script the buttons to prompt Gamepass purchases using local scripts. Check the Gamepass ownership and grant benefits before using a script in script service. By following these steps, you can effectively set up a shop for Gamepass in your Roblox game. Make sure to replace the placeholder Gamepass IDs with your actual Gamepass IDs. And that's it for today. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and make sure this tutorial really helps, and I hope I hope this Roblox tutorial really helps you all. And that's it for today. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.